Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to a very exciting unboxing and one of my favorite subscription boxes now. This is from The Balanced Company and this is the February 2023 snack box subscription, and I'm so excited to get into this because I am such a big fan of The Balanced Company monthly snack box subscription. So I have unboxed a few of The Balanced Company subscription boxes here on my YouTube channel before, but if you're not familiar with The Balanced Company, oh my gosh, it's an incredible company. It's woman-owned, and basically they provide subscriptions that help you live a balanced lifestyle. So they literally have lifestyle boxes, snack boxes, so many different incredible subscription boxes at an amazing value. And I do have a discount code, a huge discount code that'll get you 20% off your subscription. It's Christy20. And don't worry, I'll have all of this information in the description down below. But I am so excited to see what's in this box. It is heavy, it is jam-packed, and all of the snacks that I've tried, literally all of the snacks that I've tried from this subscription, I love. I'm a big snacker, and so this is a way for me to have healthier snack options in my life so conveniently. Oh my gosh, look at everything in here. And you also get some coupons. Oh, I'm so excited about just what I even see on top. This right here. Oh my gosh. So this is from the brand Pure Organic Chocolate Chip Cookie Mix. Oh my gosh, literally just last night, I was wishing that I had ingredients on hand to make like cookies or brownies, and then this shows up. How perfect! And I really love this box too because it introduces me to brands that I'm not familiar with, like grocery stores like Whole Foods and Sprouts and things like that. I never shop there, so this is a way for me to learn about those brands, get to try out some of those like better for you options, and I'm so excited. So let's go ahead and see what else is in here, but this is such an incredible first product to try out. And by the way, since I'm not very familiar with a lot of these brands and these products, if you have tried any of them, definitely let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on them, and just in general, if you have any favorite, like better for you, healthier snack options. Let's hear about those in the comments down below. I would love to learn about some other healthy snacking ideas. Oh, this is a brand that I'm familiar with, Barney Butter. So there must be something from this brand in the box. Ooh, next we've got organic apricots from the brand Sunny Fruit. Soft and succulent dried Turkish apricots. What a great, convenient, on-the-go, quick and easy snack. Next is from the brand Scooda, I think. This is, chili maple Django chiliable. What is this? It looks like coated seeds. Okay, what is it? Pumpkin seeds. Dry roasted pumpkin seeds. I love pumpkin seeds, and I've never tried flavored kinds. Oh my gosh, yum. Oh, I feel like there are some good sweet treats options in here. This is from the brand Kuchiko Lollipops, organic, no sugar added. Sweetened with organic tapioca, pineapple orange, Fuji apple, blueberry lemon. Oh, so cute. I have a little candy jar in my living room, and this is definitely going in there. That's going to look so cute. I really want to see what they look like, actually. Oh, yes. A classic lollipop. It's been a while since I've had a lollipop. Next, organic Mama Chia. Seed Your Soul Chia Squeeze Mango Coconut. See, I really am like a newbie, like a novice when it comes to health foods. I've never even had anything chia seed. So I want to give this a try, but it's definitely going to be going a little out of my comfort zone, but why not? Chia squeeze, like I feel like it can't get any easier than this to try chia. Oh, some chips, my favorite type of snack. This is from the brand Riceworks, gourmet rice snacks, salsa fresca flavored. Oh my gosh, these look incredible. Oh, definitely going to use these for a fun like appetizer or something like that. Oh, I love these. I have gotten these in previous Balanced Company snack boxes. The Craze Sweet Corn Toasted Snack Crackers. I love these. These have such a good taste. Oh, these look so delicious. Skinny dipped almonds, dark chocolate cocoa. I love almonds, and then when you dip them in chocolate, even better. Can you believe how many snacks I've already pulled out and I still have more in front of me? Next, ooh, another one from the brand Sunny Fruit. Oh, these are Have a Ball organic fruit and nut snacks. The fig and walnut coated with coconut version. This is another snack that I have gotten in a previous box that I love. I'm obsessed with the texture of these because it has like the little bit of crunch texture from the coconut on the outside, but then it's soft and chewy on the inside, like with that fig. Oh, so good. I love to just pop these if I need a quick pick-me-up. And lastly, oh, here's the product from that Barney Butter brand. And this is, oh my gosh, so cool. On-the-go snack packs of their almond butter made in a peanut-free facility. I love that because I have a peanut allergy and I'm not allergic to anything besides peanuts. So even though like I love almonds and nuts and nut butter, I really appreciate that this nut butter is made in a peanut-free facility. Peanut allergies are so common nowadays, so it's great that there is this alternative option. Wow, I seriously feel like I hit the jackpot every time I unbox my monthly snack subscription box, and I can't wait to try out all of these products. So thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video.